Good morning, this Wednesday, the 23rd of February. I'm Sophia Mavridis, market analyst with Bell Direct. Thanks for joining us this morning. Well, amid heightened concerns for the Russia and Ukraine conflict, the ASX 200 closed 1% lower yesterday. Only energy, consumer staples and healthcare managed to post gains. Tech shares declined the most, sensitive to expectations of tighter monetary policy. The market took a dive, however, Cochlear COH advanced 9%, closing at $207.37 after a positive earnings report. This included a 20% rise in underlying net profit, as well as an improved dividend. Other companies that made the top 10 after reporting their earnings yesterday included Costa Group, Hub24 and Coles. Meanwhile, Nanosonics NAN declined the most after reporting a large profit fall. Its share price closed over 13% lower. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Star Entertainment, SGR, Alumina, AWC and BHP. Now, European stocks closed mixed while US equities closed in the red. The Dow dropped 480 points or 1.4%, falling for the fourth straight session. The S&P 500 down 1% and the Nasdaq down 1.2%. It was a negative start to the trading week after the President's Day holiday, as market sentiment was dented by intensifying concerns between Russia and Ukraine. Additionally, expectations of tighter monetary policy have put pressure on the market. Now, as for what to watch today, locally, Australian shares are expected to rise. The SPI futures are suggesting a 0.28% lift at the open this morning. In commodities, the price of oil is trading at $92 after jumping more than 4% to an over 7-year high on worries of the possibility of supply disruptions as tensions escalate in Europe. The gold price has reached the highest in nearly 9 months, while the seaborne iron ore price is higher at $143 a tonne. And some companies that are reporting today include APA Group, Domino's Pizza, WiseTech, Rio Tinto, St. Barbara and Woolworths. There's also a list of stocks going ex-dividend today, including AGL, Codan, JB Hi-Fi, Magellan Financial Group and Net Wealth Group. Now remember, this often sees our shares fall as investors take their profits. Now, as for some trading ideas to consider, Bell Potter have a speculative buy rating on Cluey, CLU. Cluey is an education technology company providing personalised online tutoring and educational services for school students. Now, the company delivered a strong half-year report with metrics broadly in line with Bell Potter's forecasts. This included revenue up 145%, primarily due to growth in student sessions and at-home learning during lockdowns. Its future outlook is on track to continue expanding their offering as COVID restrictions ease. Bell Potter have a $1.50 valuation on CLU. The stock last closed at $1, implying 50% share price growth in a year. And lastly, Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Woolworths, WOW, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $35.20 to the range of $36.60 to $36.90 over 20 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. Woolworths is also set to report its half-year earnings today. Bell Potter expect NPAT of $808.2 million. Now, that is all we have time for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.